The easy-to-read digital screen features a trip computer, shift indicator, and even an average speed reading. Using the lever on the left-hand grip to switch through the menus is a breeze and simple enough to let you keep your attention on the road. Brakes are Brembo units, front and rear, with the front calipers biting onto huge 320 dual rotors. The rear end gets a single rotor measuring 245 ABS comes as standard too. The Plus designation of the 797 Plus adds cosmetic upgrades to the bike, including a satin white rear seat cover and a small and stylish windscreen. Despite its monster name and 803cc engine, this Ducati is a surprisingly beginner-friendly bike. The engine, while torquey, isn't twitchy or too aggressive, and is usable in pretty much most daily situations. It puts out 73 horsepower for highway use and more than enough for street duties. The Desmodromic L-Twin might not sound as loud as its bigger brethren do until you really rev it out, but that's easily remedied by an aftermarket exhaust, like in this one.